Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jay here, coming back to you with another video, and welcome back to CosmoChiQ. Today's video, I'm basically going to be making a wig for you via a sewing machine. I'm recording on my Snap spectacles so that way you can get a full view of everything that I'm doing. Right now, I'm pointing and showing you my setup in my sewing machine. I have a trusty handy dandy light over me. Anywho, all my sewing machine details of what my settings are on will be in the description bar below. I'm not going to go ahead and do a full detail video on this because I've done it before. So please go ahead and check out those previous videos, and let's go ahead and get started. So first we're going to start by sewing down our closure with a hand stitch needle and thread. Now if you're wondering why I'm not using the sewing machine to do this part, is actually I do it in two steps. So I like to sew it down by hand, that way I can have the correct placement of the closure, and then after that's done and I have the correct proper placement, then I like to go back and use the actual sewing machine afterward. So the next step that you want to do in creating your wig is going ahead and doubling up your wefts. So this is going to make it a whole lot easier and a whole lot faster while creating your wig, and that way you know how much hair you have without putting too much and too little of hair. Okay, so for this wig in particular, it's going to be 2.5 bundles with a closure. So I'm just doubling up my wefts, and all the settings in the description bar below will be linked there for you to see for the stitching on this hair. And here is the stitch. Let's see if we can get a closer look. So now that all the hair is sewn onto the wig, this is what it looks like. This is before pre-washing, conditioning, cutting, styling, anything. This is just with the hair put on a cap, okay? No love has been put in it yet. All right, so here we go. This is going to be after wash, condition. This is what the hair looks like, and this is completely air dried. Hair is nice and fluffy. It looks super luscious and gorgeous. It's simply just, beautiful. Yes, and the hair, believe it or not, is completely air dried. It's super gorgeous. It's super fluffy. This hair you can definitely get on CosmoChiQ.com, so please check it out. So for this particular style, I'm just going to go ahead and spray some heat tamer because I'm going to need to blow dry it before we style it. Oh my gosh, those curls are just so gorgeous. Anywho, so I'm going to go ahead and take my blow dryer through. I have it on the light setting first, and I'm just going to blow it out to kind of loosen up the curls just a tad bit. And then at the end, you're going to see me take the blow dryer again and turn it all the way up and crank it up to our high and loosen up those curls a whole lot. I'm not trying to get it bone straight, which is why I'm using this particular dryer. I'm just trying to get the curls a little bit more loose so I can just have an easier time to cut it. So now she's all cut, she's blow dried, she has the shape that I'm looking for. Now we're just going to go ahead and style her. This is the completed wig on. I know from the mannequin it was kind of hard to tell, but let me tell you why I styled it this way. This is for a older lady who sent me a picture of how she used to wear her hair back in the day, and this is how it was. So that's why I curled it and used this type of hair. That's why I layered it in so many different layers, and I love the whole 70s vibe that I'm getting. Excuse the glasses because these are my Snap glasses that I used to record when I'm filming, but this is pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and until next